Now, for residents in northern Clarendon, getting to work or school is not your typical commute, but an adventure on water as flooding has cut off one of the community's main access routes. Antonia Atkinson has details.
Rafting. Typically a fun expedition, but in northern Clarendon it has taken on a different meaning. Residents in Bogghole, Clarendon are left with no choice as the main thoroughfare has transformed into a flowing channel. Motorcyclists are the only ones brave enough to attempt the crossing. But even then, it's a treacherous journey. Residents say the situation has grown increasingly difficult, turning what was once a routine trip into an unpredictable voyage.
Yeah, these are the bikers where we bring them on the raft, bring them to the bikers, and the bikers now transport them to a place named K Valley. So you take one more transportation from K Valley, go to Sparlins, and from Sparlins to Brownstone. And from there, but it's only bike now can work in this little particular area called Bogghole. No vehicle don't work beyond this water over here.
When asked about the cost of service, a resident said,
"Well, we now know steady pathway and what they have we take. Yeah, what they have we take. Yeah. When they not what they who not have, bring them across. Yeah.
The resident detailed how they boarded the raft taxi. Speaking with the TVJ News, Mayor of Maypen, Joel Williams, says he's working to help the people.
It's going to take a while for citizens to rebuild back. But I know that the government will be chipping in, will be coming in with resources and assistance to help the residents to build back stronger than before.
He also added that Clarendon was among the parishes worst affected by the hurricane.
I want Jamaica to know, I want the parish of Clarendon to know, and by extension the diaspora to know that it's a total different picture traveling here today, going through the various community. I want the government also to know that that this entire northern belt of Clarendon has been impacted significantly. And we have to take into consideration that this is a major part of our breadbasket.
Antonia Atkinson, TVJ News.